In this tutorial, we'll show you how to export a SketchUp model to Shapespark. Once it's in Shapespark, you can fine-tune materials, add lighting, and bake the scene so it's ready to explore and share online. Before you start, make sure the Shapespark application is running in the background. The Shapespark extension for SketchUp is installed automatically, so it's ready to use right away. Open your SketchUp model, then go to Extensions, Shapespark, Export, or just click the Export to Shapespark button in the toolbar. You can choose to export the model either to the Shapespark desktop app or directly to the cloud. In this example, I'll export it to the desktop. Now let's set up the export. Choose whether to create a new scene or update an existing one. Then enter the scene name. This is how it will appear in Shapespark. You can also enable Include Sun to carry over SketchUp's sunlight and shadows. Click OK to start the export. Depending on your model's size, this may take a few moments. Once the export finishes, your scene will show up in the Shapespark editor, ready for lighting, material adjustments, and baking. And that's it! You've successfully exported your SketchUp model to Shapespark, ready for real-time viewing and sharing online.